Okay. For pronouncement of judgment, item number 1.
Nobody is there. Okay, I'll let you know. Not stapler. The impugn order dated 10/1/2022, passed by the respondent number 2, is set aside and passed. The writ petition stands allowed to the extent indicated above. Yes,
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, may I mention item number 2, Lordship? I'm for private respondent number 4. Kindly allow me 3 weeks time to file my.
okay, wait for your turn.
Okay.
Hardly a few matters.
Lordship.
We'll take up according to your turns.
For motion, item number 1.
Yes,
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, the matter is concerning non-granting of scale pay, minimum scale pay and regularization of my service, Lordship.
heard.
Lordship.
Mr.
I pray that this matter may be disposed on motion, in motion stage, Lordship, because new development has transpired, Lordship. The government of Nagaland has issued office memorandum dated 5th March 2025, wherein my case is covered, squarely covered in through this OM.
Is it part of this,
Yes, my lord.
that OM?
My lord,
OM is part of it.
lord,
Sir,
my lord, this is,
when it is not part of it,
my lord, this OM has been issued just recently, just on the 5th March of 2025, Lordship.
whether your case has been verified.
Lordship, the department is to undergo verification process by next month. So if this can be, if the matter can be disposed of with the direction to the responding authorities to verify my
No,
case.
madam.
Lordship, there are two prayers, Lordship. One is to regularize the service, Lordship. So if notice may be issued.
When you were returning,
Lordship, in the subsequent, next page, Lordship,
when you were returning,
Lordship, I'm serving for, in the
when you
department,
were retiring,
3 years is,
okay.
there's 3 years.
Probably should put it at this station.
Lordship, instead of making the, keeping the matter pending, this can be disposed of, because I'm.
Basically, I am not very much interested in disposal of writ petition. That consider your representation. Then again, you will come back. They'll dismiss, and again you will come back, that give rise to another writ petition. And it is not part of the writ petition now, how can we take cognizance of it?
Lordship, then notice can be issued in that matter.
Heard, okay, I'll just mention it. Heard Mr.
K. Arka.
K.R. Kachumi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Miss S. Chang,
Lordship.
Learned Junior Government Advocate, Nagaland, for all the respondents.
Lordship.
Full stop. The petitioner has stated that after being engaged as an office peon in the year 1992, in the office of the
Lordship, D.H. Ozuniboto, District Horticulture Office.
okay,
Juniboto.
District Horticulture Officer, Juniboto, Nagaland. The petition has been rendering service for a period of more than 32 years.
32 years, Lordship.
Okay, true story. But the petitioner was approached this court by the instant writ petition, seeking entirely directions to the respondent state authorities to grant him scale of pay
Scale of
and
pay and
for
regularization.
regularization of his services in terms of an office memorandum dated 17/3/2015 issued by the Personnel and Administrative Reforms Department, Government of Nagaland. Full stop. Mr. Arkha Chumi, Learned Counsel for a petitioner, has submitted that recently, the Personnel and Administrative Reforms Department, Government of Nagaland, has issued another office memorandum on 5/3/2025 on the subject conversion of wages of work charged and casual employees to scale pay as per revision of pay within bracket ROP, 2015. Full stop. The office memorandum has indicated that on the recommendation of the Nagaland Work Charged and Casual Employees Commission and pursuant to a decision of the Cabinet dated 25/2/2025, all work charged and casual employees in all the departments, whose names have been duly verified by the district level verification committee and registered in PIMS, receiving fixed pay shall be granted scale of pay as per the revision of pay ROP 2015 with effect from 1/4/2025. Full stop. Placing reliance on the state of his memorandum, the petitioner and counsel for the petitioner
Lordship.
submitted that
In the next page, there is subject for regularization.
Mr. So-and-so has also referred to a notification dated 5/3/2025 of the Personnel and Administrative Reforms Department, Government of Nagaland, whereby the procedure for verification as regards eligibility of all contingency, fixed pay and wage paid employees for regularization have been laid down. So it is a submission that the case of the petitioner is clearly covered by the notification dated 5/3/2025 and the office memorandum dated 5/3/2025. Full stop. MS Chan, Learned State Council, Junior Government Advocate, has submitted that she needs to obtain instructions in the matter. Full stop. Issue notice returnable on 4 weeks. Returnable in 4 weeks. As MS Chang has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of so-and-so, issuance of formal notice to the state respondents, dispensary. Extra copies within 2 working days from today is the case. After 4 weeks. The MS Chang, Junior Government Advocate, shall obtain instruction as regards the eligibility of the petitioner for grant of scale of pay and regularization in terms of the office memorandum dated 15/3/2025, notification dated 5/3/2025, and office memorandum dated 5/3/2025 on the next date of listing.
Obliged, member.
For admission, item number 2.
Yes, sir.
Lordship, here my affidavit is under preparation, Lordship.
Under preparation,
Lordship.
okay.
You can
For
to
you-
extend, Lordship.
You're for which of the respondents? 1 to 3.
1, 2, and 3, Lordship.
And Mr.
I'm for private respondent number 4.
Yes, how much time, MS Sang?
2 weeks.
For you?
3, Lord.
3, okay, both 3. Third, Mr. Foseko Forte, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, MS Chang, Learned Junior Government Advocate for Nagaland, for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3, and Mr.
4 for private respondent number 4.
Mr.
James Newman.
Learned Counsel for the respondent for both MS Chang and Mr. So and so. Learned Counsel for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3, and for the respondent 5 have paid for and are granted 3 weeks' time to file their respective counter affidavits. This is the case after 3 weeks.
For admission, item number 3.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, here I'm yet to receive instructions, Lordship, so can you permit me 3 weeks time, Lordship? I've taken the consent.
Okay. Miss Chang S. Sang, Learned Junior Government Advocate, Nagaland, appearing for all the respondents,
Lordship.
has submitted that she is yet to receive the necessary instructions to file counter affidavit on behalf of the respondents and has thus prayed for how much time?
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks time to obtain the necessary instructions and to file the counter affidavit. Full stop. It is submitted by Ms. Chang that consent has been taken from the Learned Counsel for the petitioner to make the prayer. Full stop. The prayer is allowed. Is the case after 3 weeks for filing of counter affidavit.
For admission, item number 4.
No counter or no affidavit reply. Miss Learned Counsel for the petitioner has paid for and is granted further. How much time? 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply on behalf of the petitioner to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents. MS S. Mere, Learned Senior Government Advocate for the state respondents is in attendance. Leaves the case after 3 weeks.
For admission, item number 5.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I'd like to mention on behalf of the Morning Lordship.
Hmm.
Can you permit 3 weeks time to file my affidavit notice, Your Lordship?
Okay.
Let it be the last case.
What is the subject? Regularization. And now new process has come. New OM.
Yes.
I think it will be helpful for you. But you praise that on the next date. Mr. Moa Jamil and Miss H. Chang, Learned Junior Government Advocate representing Mr. Moa Imchen, Learned Senior Government Advocate. Representing the state respondents are present. MS Chang, on behalf of Mr. Imchen, has prayed for further
3 weeks, Lordship.
3 weeks time. Are you retiring? Time is there. Okay. Further 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition on behalf of the state respondents. Post. Okay, the prayer is allowed. It is the case after 3 weeks for filing of counter affidavit by the state respondents.
For admission, item number 6.
No, this your worship.
Hmm.
Worship, here I'm yet to receive instructions, so finally grant me 3 weeks of time to file my affidavit.
I said it early in the original order itself. Why so much time? Compassionate appointment.
Yes, Lord.
Hmm. What is the policy here? In the state of Nagaland? Mr. How much percent? 50%? Then what is the problem? Heard Mr. Ajungli Sangtam.
Lordship.
You okay?
Not yet, no.
Form.
Right.
Lakni form. Learned Counsel for a petition. And Mr. Y. Ajungli Sangtam, Learned State Counsel for the respondents. Mr. Sangtam has submitted that he has not yet received the necessary instructions to file counter affidavit has prayed for further 2 weeks time,
No, Lordship, 3 weeks.
3 weeks time, as a last opportunity.
No, Lordship, I have to, after the.
Okay, I'm giving you 4 weeks as a last opportunity. 4 weeks
Lordship.
as a last opportunity.
Sometimes department, it's a very good Lordship.
Has paid for 3 weeks time to obtain the necessary instruction and to file counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents. First of, as repeated prayers are being made, repeated prayers for time are being made on behalf of the state respondents. The state respondents shall ensure filing of its counter affidavit within 3 weeks time. Release the case after 3 weeks.
For admission, item number 7.
May I please, sir?
Hmm.
But in this letter, I have received the priority comment.
Okay.
If 2 weeks time can be granted to file.
Okay.
Sure.
One Jami, counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. N. Angami, learned state counsel for all the respondents are present. Mr. Angami has submitted that he has received the necessary instructions to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents, and he needs 2 weeks time to file the same. First of, the prayer made by Mr. Angami is allowed. Leaves the case after 3 weeks for to file the counter affidavit on behalf of the state respondents.
And give the question.
For orders, item number 8.
Lordship.
SR. Okay. 4 and 5. Who are 4 and 5? Private. Yes. 4. What about 5? Await.
It appears to be Lordship, whatever allowed by the letter that has been placed by the learned counsel for the state. For his own court, at the earlier date, Your Lordship. It appears they want to conduct a verification and seeks the permission of his own court. So that verification will neither favor nor is against any party, Your Lordship. So if the department is not clear about the land ownership and would like to conduct a verification through the DC, Lord, that will be a fair permission granted by the zoning court.
They may proceed. They may proceed with the verification process.
There's a Lordship.
There is no harm. Pendency of the repetition shall not be a bar for them.
Through your Lordship. If that is reflected in the order.
Okay, heart, Mr. J. Seki, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. N. Longkumar, learned junior government advocate, Nagaland for the respondent 1, 2, and 3, and Mr. John. Only John. Only John. Okay. Ajum.
Yes.
Okay. Learned counsel has submitted that he has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 4. In view of the office note dated 27/1/2025, await for the service report in respect of the respondent number 5. Mr. Longkumar, learned junior government advocate, has submitted that with regard to the landing question, a verification process is contemplated by the Deputy Commissioner Ukha in terms of the policy of the state government in order to find out the claims of the respective landowners. First up. It is observed that pendency of the writ petition shall not be a bar for the district commissioner Ukha deputy. Okay. In Assam, deputy commissioner has now been renamed as district commissioner. That is why deputy commissioner Ukha to carry out a process of verification with regard to the land in question. First up. Lays the case. Yes. Then lays the case after 3 weeks. If the verification is necessary, then state will not be in a position to file counter affidavit also.
Yes.
Lays the case after 3 weeks.
For orders,
If
item number 9.
if any verification process is carried out in the meantime, Mr. Longkumar shall make endeavor to place the report of the verification process on the next date of listing.
For orders, item number 9.
Yes,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Madam,
Your Lordship, service for respondent number 6 is still awaited.
Miss.
If I may be allowed to take a fresh step
Okay.
through the medical officer, to the chief medical officer, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Longkumar.
So you have to file affidavit.
Whether service through that mode, because you are chief medical officer. Respondent number 5. Mon.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So she wants to file, she wants to take steps through the respondent number 5. I think respondent number 6 is a medical attendant under him.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes. Can it be?
As per your last.
Tell me. That is not a serious decision to be taken.
I think we can address it with the officer, Your Lordship.
Okay, Hart, Miss
Only.
Conley, Learned Counsel, Conley Buchen,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. M. Longkumar, Learned Junior Government Advocate, Nagaland, for the respondent number 1 to 5.
Yes.
Full stop. As per office note dated 5/2/2025, though steps for service of notice on the respondent number 6 have been taken, the service report is still awaited. MS Conley Buchen, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the petitioner may be permitted to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 6 through the respondent number 5, as the respondent number 6 is presently serving as a medical attendant in the medical subcenter Shienga
Yes.
Tangten,
Yes, Your Lordship.
which is an establishment under the respondent number 5. Post up. Mr. Longkumar, how then it will be processed? The steps will be given to Longkumar or what?
Through registered AD and Dusty as well.
Dusty to personal service.
Registered. Your Lordship. Registered. Your Lordship.
Okay. Has submitted that he has no objection to the prayer so made by the Learned Counsel for the petition. Post up. The petitioner is permitted to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 6 through the respondent number 5 by registered AD within 2 working days from today. Is the case. After 3 weeks, I think it will be 4 weeks. 4 weeks. 4 weeks. So this time my period is short. Only 1 week. That too 4 days. So I am taking leave. Thank you.
James.